Okay. Susie's going to introduce the baby duck to Ella. This could be interesting.
Sweetie, who wants to come out? Please go to. We're just going to take one out. Can you say hi, Aunt Joy?
Hi, little ducky.
Ella, what's this?
Ella. Who's that? Oh, dear. Can I crawl into the mirror? Oh, no. Who's that, Ella? Who's that little thing? Him? Where did he? And right through the hole in the fence. Okay? You get right through. There we go. Don't go in with Cat. Nope, nope. You do not want to meet Ella. Or Bella. Here. Okay. Oh, in you go. Yep. Little unceremoniously, but you're safe. That's what counts.
Let's take you over here to meet Ella. Ella's going to get a baby sister.
Who's that? Ella. Oh, it's really cold. Damn. Oh, no. How do I get out of here? I'm trapped. Oh. I'll go play in the mud. No. Squirt. You're so high-strung, honey. I mean, I know. I wonder if you're the only duck with PTSD. PTSD.
Where's the babies, Ella?
Where's the babies?
Are you a big chicken? You're not a chicken, you're a duck.
If you were a chicken, you'd be in the other run. Come on, baby. Who's that making that noise? Who is that? You gotta go check that out. You hear the little eep, eep, eep. Who is that? Who
Might
is
take
that?
a while.
All right, how about we'll go sit down and give you a little privacy.